Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, I'm Carrie Rad. Today we're going to be doing a full day of self-care. I have my coffee here in my hand. I normally wake up and I won't shower immediately. I'll wake up, I'll make a celery juice or a warm water with lemon and then wait a little bit and then have the coffee. But I woke up this morning so tired. Alex is in Africa, he's in Tanzania, climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, and I have this weird thing that when he's out of town, it's harder for me to sleep. So I didn't actually get to sleep till about 3 o'clock in the morning, which is so crazy for me because I'm usually asleep by 10 or 11. I want to use this Sunday to just kind of take it slow and easy, but also use my energy to help myself rejuvenate and make myself feel re-energized for the new week. Something I decided recently is that even on days where I don't have to leave the house necessarily, that I'm working from home, or on days where I don't really have to see anybody, I still want to get up and get ready. I want to do my hair and makeup. A lot of the times I just get up and I'm like, I don't really need to do anything. But I realize on days where I get ready and put myself together and maybe have fun and play with my makeup, I feel so much better. I just feel happier, to be honest. And working from home, it can be difficult to remember to do that, but I'm just having fun with it right now. I'm playing with it. I don't feel like I have to. I feel like I want to right now, so that's why I'm doing a fun little makeup look. Got dressed. I'm wearing this top from Madewell and my jeans are from Madewell as well. I wear Madewell a lot. It's one of my favorites. Simple makeup look. Didn't really do my hair, just added some texturizing spray. I like it a bit messy and I try to minimize the amount of heat that I put on my hair. Next, I'm going to spray on a fragrance. I've been wanting to own this fragrance for a very long time. This is a Nest fragrance in Wild Poppy. I smelled this one time in the store and I've been dreaming of it ever since, but I'm always hesitant to buy a full-size fragrance because I feel like I don't always end up finishing it. I am so excited because in today's video, I am working with Scentbird. I've talked about them before in previous videos. They are a monthly subscription service that gives you the opportunity to try out over 600 different brands in the fragrance, wellness, skincare, and cosmetic categories. Scentbird lets you choose a new designer fragrance every single month for $15, and you get this 30-day trial size, which is much bigger than the trial sizes that you see at the store. This will probably last me more than 30 days. Obviously, one of the best things about Scentbird, in my opinion, is that it's so great for travel. Whenever I'm traveling, I can just throw one of these little sample sizes into my travel bag and I have one of my favorite scents with me at all times, and it just has such a great and easy to use casing. Scentbird partners with all the top brands, so you know you're getting authentic scents, and they also partner with the more indie style brands like Glossier and Nest, which is what I'm wearing today, and I cannot tell you guys how much I love this scent. Poppies are my favorite flower in the world, not only because they're beautiful, but they also smell really good, and this scent just reminds me of summer. It's like floral, just a tad bit sweet, but also a little bit musky. So it's like there's this perfect balance. They have product options from other categories as well, like skincare, wellness, and cosmetics. I have this beauty mist from Vanicure Specialties. I love a good beauty mist. It's so simple, but it feels so luxurious. If you guys are interested in checking out Scentbird, I got you guys a 30% off coupon code. I will put that in the description box for you guys, along with the link to Scentbird to check them out. And that is it for now. Also, I am in my office right now. I feel like I've never vlogged in here before, and I really want to give you guys a good old office tour. So give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments if you want that video. I feel like I've asked you guys that like a million times. I just haven't gotten around to filming it because I feel like whenever I am in my office, I'm just like set on like working and I just don't even think about doing an office tour, so I should do that for you guys. Let's go do some more resetting and rejuvenating for the new week. Hey Lanka, how you doing, buds? What's your reset routine? What do you do to get ready for Monday? Not much, huh? Same day every day for you. Just chilling. Must be nice. Can I have a cuddle? some blankets here in the laundry room that I need to fold up because they've been sitting on top of that dryer for days. And I've just been looking at them thinking those need to be folded. So I'm just gonna do it. Get some essential oil going. I'm going to do, let's see. Lemongrass Essential Oil is always my fave. As you guys can see, I've been using the dining room table as my workspace for the last couple of days. I just felt like working here, so I'm going to clean up all of this, bring it into the office, also move the camera and tripod into my office. Blanca's toys are on the floor, so I just need to clean up this whole area. It is the main space in the house, so I like it to be clean so that I feel refreshed. I think the key to a reset day is to just start is the first part of the whole situation, because once you start, you kind of start getting into the groove and going from task to task, and it helps just inspire the rest of the day, because it's really rewarding to start getting all of these tasks done. And once you start, then you just kind of get inspired to do the rest, and then you just go from there and you work off of that inspiration. And I mean, obviously there's other things that I would love to be doing besides doing the laundry or folding the laundry, but I'll feel so good when the house is done and when everything feels refreshed and clean and when everything is where it's supposed to be. It's just that feeling. There's no feeling quite like just like a clean house and being comfortable in your own home. So this is my inspiration to you if you're feeling like you want to do a reset, you want to do some organization, but you're watching YouTube videos instead, which is totally fine because this is a good one to watch because it's inspiring you. But this is me telling you after this video, go tackle all of the tasks that you need to get done and then come back and watch some more videos, because it'll feel good to be watching YouTube videos when you're in a clean, inviting, cozy space. I plan on going grocery shopping a little bit later, so I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator. This is my least favorite thing to do around the house, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I really love bringing groceries home and putting them into a clean refrigerator. I hate it when I bring groceries home and my refrigerator is all disgusting and then it just piles on up with a bunch of other stuff. So a clean, minimalist refrigerator is what I like. Mission accomplished. Now I just remembered when I got in the car that I need to go to Petco because I need to get Blanca's food for the week. I just ran out tonight, and then I might stop into TJ Maxx, which is right next door to Petco, because I need some sort of basket to hold all of my veggies from the veggie garden because we have so many, and I need like a harvesting basket because I have this wire basket that's way too small that I can just put maybe like tomatoes and strawberries in, but for like the zucchini and the squash and the cucumber and all that good stuff, I need a bigger harvesting basket because when I'm out there I'm trying to hold all of them in my arms and they're just falling, and then I have to make like 7 trips out there. So let's see what I can find. Sit. Good boy. Wait. Okay, boy, come on. That's a good boy. Yes. So as you can see, all of the veggies are overflowing all over the counter and I had nowhere to put them. So I think that this basket I just got from TJ Maxx for $10 is going to be perfect. I would have probably preferred to thrift something, but we don't have a thrift store nearby and I needed something kind of ASAP because this was really irritating me. So this will actually do. 10 bucks for this basket is awesome. I still cannot believe that all of these grew from our veggie garden, from little tiny sprouts. Look how huge these are. I need to give some to neighbors, and then I want to get out my KitchenAid. Sorry for that noise. Blanca's over there eating. I'm actually going to pull out my KitchenAid, which is back here, so that I have it out and about because I really want to try making zucchini bread.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you.
My camera died, so I had to give it a little bit of a charge, but I just whipped up a little salad. I'm not completely finished with it yet. I'm adding some spicy peppered feta cheese, and then I'm gonna add some of this pomegranate molasses. I added a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. In the salad, I have tomato, red onion, celery, Bellella from Trader Joe's. It's like garbanzo with some cilantro, olive oil, tomatoes. It's like a little seasoned chickpea salad that I put inside of the salad. And this is butter lettuce and spinach. Is it spinach? No, it's a green mix and then butter lettuce. So that is what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. And I'm also gonna make a baked garlic, which is so good for you and so delicious. It's almost like a dessert. Alex and I make it all the time. So I preheated the oven to 450 and I'll show you guys exactly how I do it. Okay, to make the baked garlic, I am using some foil. This is reused foil that I've actually used for something else, but it's perfect. And then I'm just going to cut the end of the garlic off. I just put the cutting board away. All right. Cut off the end like so and put it right on the foil, and then I grab some olive oil and I let it just kind of ooze into the garlic like so. Add a bit of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. You can use any salt. Some pepper. And then you just fold it up like this. And then you put it right in the oven at 450. I already preheated my oven. Just gonna go right in there. And then I leave it in here for about 40 minutes. Okay, Google, set timer for 40 minutes.
All right, 40 minutes, starting now.
So this is the way the garlic looks. It looks kind of scary, but it's so good for you and it's so delicious, and it makes it so you can have an entire bowl of garlic and you want more. Which, I mean, garlic cleans your blood. It's just unbelievably great for you. This is why Italians live so long. So I'm just enjoying it so much because it tastes like a dessert to me. Alex and I devour these. Like, we have them for dinner all of the time. It's probably really disgusting to watch somebody eat this. And obviously, like, your breath smells intensely like garlic afterwards, but as long as you and your partner are both having it, then it shouldn't be a problem. Which Alex and I always eat this together. So then we're both very garlicky and all is well, it's all fine. This gorgeous little guy fell off of the bouquet and I was really sad because it came off its stem, and then I realized I could just throw these petals into a nice little self-love bath, which is definitely what I'm going to do tonight. Just got out of the bath, going to make myself a tall glass of water and get ready to go to bed so that I can wake up tomorrow feeling refreshed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog style video. I liked that it was just like candid, and I just kind of took you guys along with me. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos. vlog style. Thank you again to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check out the link I left for you guys in the description box with the coupon code for 30% off your first cologne. And yeah, we're gonna go to bed now. Blanca is chewing on my pajama shorts. Blanca, these are not for you. No. He likes these little, like, fun little balls.